Okay, so let's take a look at the factoring review sheet. So remember, we can remove a greatest common factor, a number or a letter or a negative, identifying which letter is A, which letter is B, and which letter is C, and then working on trinomials, either with the quick method or by decomposition, or the quick method. So remember, if you just want to do decomposition all the time, do it. If you can recognize when A is equal to 1 and you want to do the quick method, do it. If you want to do the quick method all the time, do it. Either way, be very careful when A is 1 and A is not 1. Remember, things sometimes you just cannot factor. And we're going to learn that you can either try and factor it a different way with decimals in higher level grades or whatever. Then down below we have decomposition, a bunch of versions of that. And, differences of squares and a bunch of versions of that. And the example off to the right, plus x squared plus 9, which we cannot factor. Then some interesting ones, like if you have a y at the end, you need a y at the end. Things that turn into perfect squares and how to recognize them. The method of substitution, like we just did on the right here. Remember that you can do some partial factoring. And there's a hack method, and I hate it, and I don't like teaching it unless your teacher has wasted an hour of your time, whatever. Okay, back at the top, big blue. Factoring review. Don't forget to check by distribution or FOIL. Fully allowing you to see if you did it correctly or not. Come on. You don't even need the answer key or a teacher. Make up a question. Try and factor it. See what works. Or FOIL out something from grade 9, cover up the question, try and factor it. Okay, so these are going to be all of our methods. Make your own review sheet, study for the tests, see what's on the test, see if there's anything on the test that wasn't on your review sheet, and decide in the future whether or not you should make a better or worse review sheet, etc.